Hi friends, today we're going to be making a bracelet.
Just like last time. A bunch of Chase and Stella.
Subscribe to join our adventure.
Hooray! Hi friends, today we're going to be making another bracelet. If you remember last time, we did the Just My Style on the go Boho bands, and it came with all these beads, string, like these little tiny beads. It has the holder for the bracelet and the string holder at the bottom. This is one of the bracelets we made last time. It was like the green macrame with colorful beads that the kids helped pick out. So that's the one we did last time. And today I'm going to be doing a staircase, and we'll add some fun, funky beads to it. So I picked purple and blue. So I just have two strings. They're both the same length, and I'm gonna tie a knot. See? Now we're gonna put it on the loop. So I'm gonna do alternating colors. You can do just one color if you want, but I'm gonna do alternating. So all you do is you take these strings, you hold one, the whatever one you want to show is gonna be over here. So you just hold the main one still, and then you're gonna take this one, you're gonna put it under, and then just tie a knot, and then pull it up. And you just repeat. Normally I will count. I'm gonna take it off and I'm gonna show you. It's starting to look like a staircase, like a circular spiral staircase. Now I'm going to switch. So I'm gonna take the one I want to show in this hand and just start tying up. And I'm gonna do 7 knots. Now I'll show you. See? It's starting to look like a spiral staircase. And now we'll go back to purple. Now this is the fun part. We get to pick a bead. So, what I like to do is, you can pick the beads that you want, make like a fun pattern. So, we'll use the yellow one in the middle, and maybe I'll put pink one on each side, and I don't know, what do you guys think? Let's do one more bead. How about these big green ones? What do you guys think? Do you think that goes well with our colors? So I am going to put, because I'm going to be starting with the blue, I'm going to put the bead on the purple. Just put it right through. And I'll just start again. So now, we're going to start with the purple again. So I'm going to put the bead on the blue. Now we're going to take the blue right on through. And there we go. Now we are going to do 3. And you want to tie it tight so it doesn't wiggle around. 2, 3. And now, and you can do it however many knots as you want. It's up to you. That's just what I felt like, what I did. So here's the main pretty one. And we're going to start with the blue. And we're going to do on the side. So you want to make sure it's really tight so it doesn't budge. Tie that one really tight. 1, 2, and we're gonna do the pink one. And we'll do 3. 4. And last bead. So it depends on how big your wrist is, on how long you want to make this bracelet. So this is what it looks like so far. You can see the staircase, and then I put bead, and then there's staircase in between each bead. See, and if you want, you can, instead of just wrapping it around once, put it through and wrap it around the other side too, and then it'll be like you'll have blue string on both sides. Just aesthetic reasons, nothing functional. And that's it. That's the bracelet. 3 sets of 7 here. Then we have the beads, and we have 3 sets of 7 on this end. Then you want to put it on. What you can do is you're going to take these ends, put them through here, put them through the knot, put it on your wrist, and then you can tie it. See? And then you have your little bracelet. And if you do the easy way, so this is gonna, if you don't pull that too hard, right? So you put one string through and 1 string out. See? So you have one in. Put it on your wrist. And then you don't even need help. This the string is pretty long right now, so it's tied. Now we're gonna get our scissors, cut off the ends, and see, look, now it's like looped through. You can cut off these little strings. Only do this with supervision, guys. Ask your parents to cut it for you. And then it's looped on. If you like making bracelets with us, don't forget to hit the subscribe button.
See you next time on the Chase